Hello everyone, friends. In this video I will explain how any beginner can start trading Forex using just their mobile phone. And for this you simply need to connect and register with any broker. I will be demonstrating using my broker, FxPro broker. This is one of my favorite and best brokers, which I really like, which has a bunch of licenses and with which you can trade from anywhere in the world. And yes, by the way, if you are not yet a partner of the FxPro broker, be sure to go to In the detailed description of this video, there is a registration link. Be sure to complete the full verification process. I also made a separate helpful video about this, so check it out, learn more, and let's get started right now. So let's imagine that you have already completed verification, registered, and now you need to go to the website. I will show you how everything will look in the app, but first you need to go to the FxPro website at the top left. Here we select the three horizontal lines. And here we see two options for downloading the app. Through the App Store if you have an iPhone, or through Google Play if you have an Android. I choose the Apple Store. And since I already have the app downloaded, you will just need to install it. This way you simply make using this broker more convenient for yourself. That is, I always do everything through the app. Alright. So I immediately open the app. You will just need to enter the login and password that you used when registering on the website. Next, we see that at the bottom right there is a profile section. If, for instance, it happens that you haven't filled in all of the required information, just click Complete your profile at the very top. Fill out the form, then confirm your identity by uploading your passport for full verification. Now let's go back to the main page at the bottom, select Main, and we need to open a real account. Basically, you can practice on a demo account. Here, just switch the toggle to Demo Account and create a demo account. Well, I will show you how to open a real account. So I select Real here and create a real account. So this kind of menu opens up for us. Here, you need to choose the account that suits you best for trading. If you are a beginner, this one will suit you. This first option here, called FxPro Standard. Here, you can fund your account with a minimal amount, even just $1 if you want. Next is FxPro Rev Plus, with a minimum deposit of $250. For VIP traders, there's FxPro Elite, with a minimum deposit of $10,000. Since most will use the first option, let's open that one. If at the top, it says New Real Account with MT5, which means MT5 is the trading terminal. I recommend everyone use this particular trading terminal. Well, if you suddenly want to change something, you can select the gear icon at the top right and choose the terminal you need. For example, MetaTrader 4. This is a somewhat older version. Maybe you want to try it specifically on that one. There's also CTrader. This is a separate application from this broker, which gives you the opportunity to trade cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. Well, basically everything is written here. If you're interested, you can also try creating an account. Well, I'll choose MT5. Next, we click this little blue oval here. We continue with standard. Then we have the account currency. By default, there are DEMAs. We'll leave the leverage as is. Let me choose 1 to 1,500. Next, the execution method, netting or hedging. Everything is described here. I'll choose hedging and check the box that I want to use a password on this account. So next we'll come up with a password. After that, we click Create Account. And just like that, now we have a new trading account, ready to go. So we simply take this away from here. The prompt is just offering to take a tour. I'll click Skip All. Now that we have a trading account, and next, in order to fund the trading account, we need to select the deposit option at the bottom and choose the most convenient deposit method for your needs. Here, Russian bank cards, local cards, and credit cards are offered. USD here refers to cryptocurrency. And if we open the tab, we are then given the option to deposit with a specific coin. I usually choose USD. I click Continue. Now a unique wallet address is being generated for you, to which you need to send your coins. Next, the broker offers me to choose an option. Of the network to send the funds through, I choose TRC20. You can choose IRB, meaning any network. The main thing is when you send the funds, make sure to select exactly the same network that you specified here. For example, TRC20. Here, I copy it, the wallet address. Then I go to my exchange account and send the specific amount I want to start trading with to this address, ensuring I use this network. The deposit takes just a few minutes. So once you make the deposit, you'll see a notification at the top confirming the funds have arrived, and then from this wallet, you need to transfer the money to your trading account. So we just need to press the button. The transfer option is currently inactive for me because I haven't funded this wallet yet. You just need to make the transfer and select the trading account you want to transfer to. After that, you can start opening trades using this app. There's a trading tab at the bottom here. You can trade from this app if that's more convenient for you. But personally, I prefer to use the MT5 terminal. Let me show you now what trading looks like in the app. Up here on the top left where the favorites tab is, there's a magnifying glass icon. We can select it and choose any trading pair you're interested in. Take for instance EUR USD. Now simply tap on the chart, located right in the center area, and a full chart opens up where you can change the time frame. Here on the left we have the time frame options. For example, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. Honestly, I don't find it very convenient. That's why I don't use this terminal for trading. I immediately switch over and open the MT5 trading terminal. Let me show you what it looks like. Just go to the Apple Store. This is what MetaTrader 5 looks like. I have already installed the application, and now I will show you exactly how to integrate and add our broker. So please open the app and navigate to the bottom left corner. The main thing to look for is where we have the trading account. Tap on it, and then at the bottom left you will see a gear icon. We will then get the information about this specific trading account, so we will need to focus on what is at the very bottom. That's the login, server and password. Copy the login. Open MetaTrader 5. At the top where the search bar is, we select FxPro. Enter the login. Next we have the password. Here it is hidden. By the way, you can change it if you happen to forget it. The password you created when you opened the trading account. Click it. Done. That's it, the terminal has loaded. Next, by default, you will see your current balance displayed right here. That is the total amount you have deposited. In the mobile app itself, in order to start trading, you can simply go to the quotes section and select any trading pair you prefer. Let's use the same example and take the euro to US dollar currency pair. I already have it selected and checked here, which means it's already in this active terminal. So I go back, find the euro to US dollar currency pair in this field, carefully select it, click on chart, and then the chart itself opens up right here for me. At the top left, there's the time frame. I select the specific time frame I need based on the current market conditions and trading strategy, and I decide what actions to take here. For example, I want to open a long position, so I navigate my way to the top of the interface. On the right, I click on this little rectangle and an additional table opens up for me, where on the left side you see sell for going short on the left, and on the right there's a square for buy. And right in the center we have the specific lot size. You select the lot size that you need. I highly recommend beginning your journey by opening very small positions, just 1/100th of a lot, to practice or to create a separate demo account where you can thoroughly test your strategy further. So for example, you select the lot size, click buy, accept the terms, click accept, and your trade will be opened. I can't show it right now because my trade won't open since I need to top up my account. But with an open trade, you can immediately set a stop loss by simply moving the slider down or up, and you can also set a take profit. Well, that was a comprehensive video about how to start trading on the Forex market using the FxPro app, so be sure to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. But see you next time, and happy trading!